Welcome back to another iMan Cave Osee GoStream video tutorial. Okay, these videos are intended primarily for newbies to the Osee devices, newbies and people who are not familiar with all the ins and outs of the menus and where and how to set things up. In the last video we looked at transitions with the wipes. In today's video we're going to be looking at transitions with mix, dip and cut. It's going to be a quick video. Let's dive into it. The first thing to look at is on the device we are going to now select, say, mix, which is a dissolve type. That's the mix button there. It's a dissolve type of transition like that. And how that's set up, that's easy. The only thing that you can configure in that, really, apart from having it as a mix, is when you go into the mix menu, the settings menu, the only thing you can change there is the speed of it. So it could be, you could have it up to 1 second. Let's do that, as it takes a bit longer. I prefer a quick dissolve, so we'll go click on that and bring it down to ½ a second. That's the minimum amount, and you can see it's a lot quicker. Okay, the next type of transition will be to the dip. So if we select the dip, that's that button there. It says dip on it, surprisingly. It goes into a color. If we come down to the dip option, we have the source and its color. We can select a whole load of different things if we want to. We've got it on color bar, color 1. You could put it to input 1 if you want, so that when you did the cut, it goes bloop, it flashes up input 1. That's up to you to decide what you want to do. I have it as a color, have it set up as a color. Where have we gone? Color 1. Select that, and then it just drips into a color. Then, of course, we have the straightforward cut, which is if we have the cut button, we just hit the cut and it goes straight across to that. That's the most commonly used one these days, I think. Okay. On the software, let's have a look at that on the software. For mix, we have the mix rate there. We can adjust the mix rate. The dip rate we could do there, and also we can select the input for the source on the dip. Okay, we tried it with input 1 before. Let's just do that briefly. And in between it's flashing up input 1. Doesn't work very well, quite honestly. Color 1 is the best, I think, like that. Okay. And then, of course, we have the cut, which is a straight cut, as you know. Cut, cut. That's it for now. Stay tuned. Subscribe down below. Till the next one.